Hi everyone. So this is lecture 12 where we are going to learn about div and span. So in HTML, div and span are container elements used to organize content on a web page. So let me give you the example. Div is like a box where we can hold lots of things. For example, here I'm going to take a div. Inside div, you can write many things. Like here I'm going to take heading H1 and going to write here this is heading. This is heading. It looks so bold, so here I'm going to make my heading tag little small. So for making heading tag little small, so for that we can take H3 instead of H1. And below H3 I'm going to take a paragraph, and here I'm going to write this is a paragraph. Let me save this file. Let's see on our web page how it's looking. So you can see this is a heading tag and this is a paragraph tag. So it's come in a heading format, it's come in a paragraph format. And it is a block level element like used to group other element together. So here what we are doing, grouping other element together. And it is commonly employed to structure and style section of a web page, and it can contain various elements like text, images, and other div as well. Inside that, you can take another div as well. So this is our div. Now, what is the difference between span as well? We know what is div. Inside div, we can take heading, paragraph, images, whatever we want to take, we can take another element as well. But in span, what happened? It is an inline element, and it is primarily used to apply styles or scripting to a specific section of a text, and useful for selecting and styling a part of a sentence or inline content. Let me give you the example so that you can understand. Here below div, I am going to take one paragraph, and inside paragraph, I am going to write this is a highlighted word in paragraph. Here I am going to write this is a highlighted highlighted word in a paragraph. So here, what can I do? Let me save this file first. So it's come in a one line, as we know that it's a paragraph. Let me see first website, a web page. So it's coming in a paragraph format. This is a highlighted word in a paragraph. Okay, spelling of N is wrong here. Let me correct this as well. Okay, now it's fine. Now what I am going to do is that I want to make this highlighted word in red color. So for that, I can take a span tag, and inside that span tag, I'm going to paste this highlight word. Let me save this and going to paste here. So I want to make this highlighted word in red color. So for that, we can take a style attribute inside that. And after taking style attribute, I'm going to make the color. What color I want? There are many different colors are available. If you know any color name, so you can write here. And if you don't know the color name, so it's like it's fine. You are going to get many color here, because VS Code have this functionality. You can already get lots of color here inside that. But here I have to make my highlighted word in red color, so I'm going to write red here. Okay. Now let's save file, or now let's save file and see our web page how it's looking. So you can see in span, it's the inline element. So here we can use span for selecting and styling a part of sentence or inline content. So basically, it's primarily used to apply styles or scripting to a specific section of text. So in summarized way, we can understand like div is like a container box that can hold various elements and is often used for layout. Okay, while span is a smaller container used to style or target specific inline content. Both are essential for structuring and styling a web page. Okay, so now here I'm going to end this video lecture. In next video lecture, we are going to learn, not next upcoming video lecture, we are going to learn about style in attribute, like what is style, and why we call it's as a attribute. Not style is only attribute. There are lots of attribute we are going to use, and we can understand what is the meaning of that in next video.